Hi, I would like to show you how to plot inequalities on your TI-84 or how to solve inequalities on your calculator. Well, firstly we're going to be looking at this type of inequalities. So this is our quadratic inequality when this side is less than 0. So in order to use your graphical calculator to solve this guy, we need to set this up in the following way. So this is our left hand side, this is our right hand side of our inequality. Now we would like to set up the inequality on your calculator. Remember, this is our y1, this is our y2. Right, so what we're going to do, we want to find out this inequality when y1 is less than y2. We need to type in this logical expression. But the way of doing this is we want to go to variables, vars, go to y_vars, go to function 1 and choose your first variable y1. Then we would like to enter this inequality sign. You need to go to second, go to test, and then go to option 5, down to option 5, and then we need to repeat exactly the same process to get y2. We go to vars, y_vars, function n2. Well, now we have got our inequality set up and we're going to graph it. Perfect. So that's what we're getting on our calculator. That's our parabola. Then it's 0, and then the calculator is evaluating where y1 is less than y2. So what we get on a calculator is this guy. We get our axis, y and x. We get our parabola. Then we have got our 0, y is equal to 0 there, and finally our logical expression here and above here and there. Well, so in this section here the parabola is less than 0, and on this side, on this left hand side, is greater than 0, and on this side is greater than 0 as well. Well, what do we need to do now? We need to find the zeros of this function, to be more precise with our intervals. Well, how are we going to do it? We're going to go to second and calc, and we want to evaluate zeros, so we go to 0. And now we need to set up boundaries or bounds around this 0 value. So I want to find the left boundary. I'm going to go onto the blue line. Need to be on the blue line. On the left hand side, click enter. Go to right hand side, click enter, and then click enter again, and you get u0. Well, u0 is 2, so we're going to put here our 2. We're going to repeat the process for the second 0. So I'm going to go to second and calc, go to 2, and I would like to go now on to the left hand side of this 0, click enter again, and enter. And that's my 5. Right, now we can answer our question. So the x squared minus 7x plus 10 is less than 0. These are the roots of this equation, so we can write this as x minus 2x minus 5 is less than 0. Well, where are these guys less than 0? Well, they are less than 0 here, so x needs to be greater than 2 and less than 5. x less than 0. Alright? Now, if we want to answer the question where x squared minus 7x plus 10 is greater than 0, well, it is on this side and on that side. So we would write that x needs to be less than 2, or x needs to be greater than 5. That's it. Depending on which inequality you would like to